Hey, I'm Aaron, and in this video I will show you how to fly your OMPHOBBY M2 V3 and M1 V3 with VBar Control radio. All the steps I will show you in that video are exactly the same for M2 and M1, no difference. At first, please update your VBar Control radio to have access to the latest model files. Also make sure that you have loaded and activated the Macrocell app inside of your radio. Now we connect the receiver to our M2 or M1. I recommend to use the Mikado Micro S-Bus receiver. This one is optimized for small helicopters and has a telemetry cable already pre-installed, so you can just plug in and go fly. If you have a different receiver, visit omphobby.com. There you can find a VBar Control user guide, and in that you can find additional information. Before you start, please remove the main blades and also the tail blades. Plug in the Bluetooth module inside of your helicopter and connect it with your OMPHOBBY app. Go to the menu Receiver and Telemetry and set the S-Bus range to Futaba and activate the VBar Control telemetry. Confirm the new settings with Save. Now you can bind your OMPHOBBY M1 or M2 with VBar Control. Open the model setup inside of your VBar Control and select New Model Setup. The new OMPHOBBY template can be found under OEM presets. Click on Select, read the instructions and load the setup. Your model now is ready to fly. Here are some additional information on how to make adjustments inside of your VBar Control radio. The model template has a motor switch for motor on and off. If you have the safety switch assigned, this one will be active as well. If you don't use a safety switch, you just can continue without. You can switch between 3D and attitude mode, or also the rescue mode if activated in the OMPHOBBY app with the switch option 3, which by default is that switch right here. You can make adjustments on it inside of the Macrocell 15. In Macrocell 40 you can easily change the RPMs of your helicopters. The model template also supports software throttle if you want to define the RPMs inside of your app. So now I hope everything is clear and you have fun flying the OMPHOBBY helicopters with VBar Control radio.